Assalamualaikum dear students. I hope you all are doing well. After learning definition, use and structures of positive, negative, interrogative and WH sentences using past continuous tense. Today we'll practice 20 sentences translating from Urdu to English using the same tense. So let's get started. My sister was reading an interesting book. मेरी बहन एक दिलचस्प किताब पढ़ रही थी. They were playing cricket in the park. वो पार्क में क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे. He was studying for his examination. वो अपने इम्तहानात के लिए पढ़ रहा था. We were watching a movie together. हम इकट्ठे फिल्म देख रहे थे. The children were painting beautiful pictures. बच्चे खूबसूरत तस्वीरें बना रहे थे. Negative sentences. She was not listening to her teacher. वो अपनी टीचर की बात नहीं सुन रही थी. They were not waiting for the bus. वो बस का इंतजार नहीं कर रहे थे. He wasn't doing his homework. वो अपना होमवर्क नहीं कर रहा था. I wasn't going to the market. मैं मार्केट नहीं जा रहा था. The dog wasn't barking loudly. कुत्ता ऊंची आवाज में नहीं भौंक रहा था. Interrogative sentences. Were you singing a song in the party? क्या तुम पार्टी में गाना गा रहे थे? Was she cooking the meal at night? क्या वो रात को खाना बना रही थी? Were they swimming in the pool yesterday? क्या वो कल स्विमिंग पूल में तैर रहे थे? Was she driving the car when the accident happened? क्या जब हादसा हुआ तो वो गाड़ी चला रही थी? Were we discussing the project last night? क्या हम गुज़िश्ता रात प्रोजेक्ट पर बात कर रहे थे? WH family sentences. What was she writing in her notebook? वो अपनी नोटबुक में क्या लिख रही थी? Where were they going in such a hurry? वो इतनी जल्दी में कहाँ जा रहे थे? Why was he shouting at his friend? वो अपने दोस्त पर क्यों चिल्ला रहा था? Who was teaching the class this morning? आज सुबह क्लास को कौन पढ़ा रहा था? Dear students, I hope this practice lecture is quite informative and entertaining for you people. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so that you may not miss our upcoming lectures. If you want to learn all the tenses, must visit our playlist named as Tenses to enjoy all the lectures based on tenses. Thanks for watching.